The Steamfast SF-370 Canister Cleaner offers an impressive steam cleaning solution with its ability to heat ordinary water to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively cleaning a wide array of surfaces naturally. Equipped with 15 useful accessories, this cleaner makes it easy to tackle tough cleaning tasks throughout your home, from floors to countertops and even barbecue grills. Its extra-large water tank allows for up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, minimizing the need for frequent refills during extensive cleaning sessions. Designed for maximum portability, it features a 15-foot power cord and a 6.5-foot hose, making it easy to reach difficult areas without hassle. The cleaner's chemical-free steam power ensures a safe and natural clean for surfaces like sealed hardwood floors, tiles, and more, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Steamfast provides excellent customer support with a commitment to replace the product if it does not meet expectations, backed by a 2-year warranty.